Okay guys, so today I want to teach you about how to install the Python in on your Mac. Yes, so the first one thing to do is yes, you gotta go to browser, any browser that you want. Okay, and now I'm using Safari. Yes, for default my no, but default for my default is Chrome, but I yes, okay, change okay, so we start search Python. Okay, Python 3 download Mac. Okay, okay, 3.12.4. Yes, it's released at June yes 6 2024. Okay, this is a lot of choice that yeah so the first one is Mac OS 64-bit Universal 2 installer. Yes, for my Mac is Apple Silicon M1 chips, so you click to link download. Okay, yeah, okay, and download Python 3.12.4. yes, okay, now we okay, if you are using Mac with Intel chip, yes, you can write more in Intel. Okay, Intel chip chẳng thế vậy. Okay, then okay, for my Mac is using Apple Silicon, so I click on download and click download. It will download. Yes, you can install, but I have already installed on my Mac, so I don't want to install or replace them. So yes, you can install and download. Okay, when you download already, yes, so the first step is how to okay, how to show the version on the terminal. Okay, so the first one is you can search, you can type Python 3, yes, dash version. Okay, you can enter. Okay, Python 3.12.4. okay, now we're gonna to Visual Studio Code and open the folder. Okay, one folder. So okay, okay, now I open the folder. Yes, okay, and create a new project. Okay, .py. Okay, you can testing with print. Okay, with hello world. Okay, you can press the control option and key in. Yes, hello world. Okay, so now it's work. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like the video and subscribe the video.